Hi, I'm Tom Sforza, co-owner of Best Auto Service Center in Tannersville, PA, and we're a family-run business. And some of the things that make us unique to the industry, or things that we provide, such as free roadside assistance when you're a customer here, free flat tire assistance, free lockout and delivery service. We have a $75 towing reimbursement through the AC Delco program as well. We offer a 24 months, 24,000 miles nationwide warranty on all of our repairs. We also offer 0% financing. We have programs for good credit, 0% financing for good credit. We have bad credit, and we also have programs for people that have no credit at all. We offer ASE certified technicians, so it's not just anybody repairing your vehicle, and they fix it right the first time. They are trained on a monthly basis. We're family owned and operated. We also offer a courtesy shuttle van, so if you need to go to work or you need to be dropped off at home, we can do that as well. These things are all included free when you come to Best Auto. We also have free Wi-Fi service, so if you're waiting, you need to do work, you can continue working, and with our free Wi-Fi, we have fresh coffee and a flat screen big TV to watch. And we are, another big thing is that we are not a chain store. We only sell the customers what they need. And we also just started doing digital inspections. So we'll look at my guys, our technicians, they do a digital inspection on the vehicle on a tablet, pictures and videos if need be, which the service writers can send to the customer. So it's like having the customer in the work bay, and that helps helps us build trust with the customer, and it shows the customer exactly what's wrong with their vehicle. Also, we do enhanced inspection. So if you have a vehicle that was modified, put back together, if it was wrecked and reconditioned, we can do an enhanced inspection on that as well. Another thing that we've been doing is emissions. So even though people don't live in an emission county, Monroe County is not emissions, we do have people that live in other emissions counties. So if you work or play in Monroe County, Best Auto Service Center can do an emissions test on your vehicle and also do the safety inspection as well.